Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. It's Saturday morning, the last Saturday in May. It's about 40 degrees outside and it's snowing. Well, here's the potatoes that I planted. I believe this is the first real rain that's been out here since last weekend, so I wasn't really expecting any to be sprouting yet. We'll check it each week and see what's happening. The strawberries are looking pretty good. They're coming along. The raspberry and blackberry plants are coming real good. That one I just planted, so I wasn't expecting much. This one's growing pretty good. Let me pull out that piece of grass. This one I just planted, so I wasn't expecting anything. This one got some new sprouts on right down by the base. That's good. Another one that I just planted. Then this one was from last year, and you can see it's got a few sprouts on it. That one doesn't have anything, but this one has a lot of good sprouts and even got some growing over there. A whole new plant, couple plants there. This one's growing again. This one was one of the ones I planted last year. Another one I planted last year and it's growing real well. Here's some that I planted a couple years ago and you can see they're growing real good. And they got new sprouts. These are the sprouts from last year, so they're growing very well. So it looks like my raspberries and blackberries are starting to come alive. So we'll see how they do this coming summer. And one last look at the potato patch. Obviously nothing's growing yet.